Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope your people are pretty fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy in your life. Always be keep smile. So dear viewer, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video most beautiful and stylish. You will see in this video stylish girls nail art ideas. Marvelous and stylish. You will see in this videos 40 plus unique girls nail art, nail polish and modern girls nail cutting designs. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, if you like my videos, so viewers please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to keep your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish girls nail art with fingering designs. So lovely viewers, do you have new ideas of unique modern girls nail art ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. In the comment section to tell me how is my video. So I always try to bring modern beautiful girls nail polish with fingering designs. So there is a huge variety of designs in these videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Latest and stylish, you will see 40 plus modern girls nail art. I have uploaded summer seasons nail art, winter seasons nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art, and you will see very stylish, unique, different girls nail cutting designs. So dear viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy new unique nail polish designs, attractive girls nail art ideas. So dear viewers, I always try to bring modern girls nail art ideas. I have uploaded plain and printed nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art ideas with fingering designs. So dear viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos